Blur. Hello? Hello? Hey, Rosh.
Hello.
How's it going?
Fine. Not bad, not good.
What are you up to? Are you and T gonna work together tonight?
Depends on Tharan. I don't know if he's ready. If he's on, I'm not.
Yeah, I would like to watch you guys. That'd be awesome. I was reading about it today. React or whatever. It looks hard.
Yeah, not that hard. Yeah, kind of fun.
Yeah. Give yourself more credit. Come on, you know that's hard. How's the app going, by the way?
App, I didn't start with the app because I need the backend first. Then I'll go to the app because I want you won't need, you'll get only dummy data. So what's the use of dummy data? So I thought I'll set up the app first, then backend first, then I'll set up the app so that I can connect it and I can give you like live feedback and stuff.
So
Not
do we
live
need
feedback,
we
like
need
demo.
we need a designer then, right? We need another designer to
Yeah,
help.
design. Yeah,
Someone who's
but
experienced in what though? Like experienced in like how Ashes.
doesn't matter. Like doesn't matter. Any design is fine. Like any mobile designer.
Do you have any friends?
Any mobile designers.
No designers.
Mm,
I just like how we've all kept it within like the only person we met off Upwork was Max, which thank God, 'cause
Max, yep,
Max is awesome. You know, we got really lucky with him.
Mm.
But pretty much it's not always like that. I don't really like when I hire some stranger off Upwork. I'm really, you know what I mean?
Yep, makes
We
sense.
just wanted to get that done last time, so but I just hope that maybe someone had a friend, or maybe if you just take a look out, maybe if you see like a designer or anything. Really, there's no one else
Fine.
joining. Anything you want to show me, like anything you're working on? Maybe we can like put it on the diary, the video diary, or here, I'll make you the host, or yeah, just multiple people can share once. You can share whenever.
Yeah, but I guess sure.
Okay, what is going on?
I in the back.
Sweet, nice. It's awesome. I love the colors of like coding.
What?
I love the colors of code. Like, you know, can you
Hmm.
make it? Do you have like a way to make them brighter or like the colors like brighter pink? You just like them that color?
Yeah, you can, but I didn't change it.
Oh, cool. There's color themes and stuff. Oh, don't we don't drill that. Nice.
The color thing.
Oh, cool. Wow. Oof, man.
This is true.
Whoa, whoa. That's kind of cool. I still wouldn't need. I think black and like the old school hacking, like the Matrix, is kind of cool. Black
And
and
this was a dark one, which is already there.
I like dark. I like dark stuff.
This.
I don't like the. I don't know. It hurts my eyes.
Mhm.
So yeah, for the app, what are we doing? Okay, so yeah, I need to write this down. I need to write this down. Okay,
Mhm.
write this down here because I need to get this together. Let's see, standard. Hang on. Cool. That's awesome. Let's see. Slack. Like just me and Raj, really? Where's where's Ashbin? I haven't seen him all day.
This is a database.
Oh wow. Okay, so what is that? What's on GitHub?
This. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, starting. This is the code which is on GitHub. All these, the whole code. This is the backend server. This is the React part, the front end which me and Tarun are working on.
Nice.
So yeah.
You know what? I think this is so pretty looking. I feel like when we do our explainer video, we should even the website itself, you know, like the front end, like when you're, you know, like implementing the whole like because anyone, even their grandmother, anyone who doesn't have computer experience can see this kind of typing and like these colors and know that it's computer, you know, or like
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's just good. I think that'd be kind of cool. Like as you're scrolling, isn't a computer supposed to be getting built or something on the side, or like it's supposed to be like some sort of like computer? Do you remember
Yes, but
like what
I
Ash
think.
said? Like what Ash said, like when you scroll, it's gonna be like
Oh, okay. The animation on the left side. But are we doing that? I thought we were doing the ball dropping thing. I don't know. I don't know. Just asking. Like I either it's gonna be either the animation which you told, or it's gonna be the ball dropping thing as you scroll.
I don't know. I know that there's
I
one.
don't know.
It's the noodle. It's like let me find it really quick. It's called like the noodle. It's like a phone. Let's see. Websites that follow. Best scroll websites. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in the group. Hang on, okay. All right, so wow, these websites are really cool. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, that one's cool too. Wow, what a cool portfolio. This guy was so smart. So smart. Wow. Hey, so check this one out. So this is a portfolio.
Mhm.
I'll show you right now. So check out this guy's portfolio. Like what happens as you scroll.
What?
Scroll down, yeah, like scroll and you'll see.
Whoa.
Kind of cool, huh?
Yeah, it's actually
He was smart.
collection of images.
Parallax
Theme.
scrolling website. What's that? Okay, parallax isn't like parallel. Okay.
Yeah.
Parallax scrolling. Okay, that's what I like. I think parallax scrolling is pretty cool too. Like where it like stays like where it stays like, yeah, it's called okay, that's what it's called. Parallax scrolling. Okay, look at the so did you see the last thing I sent, Raj?
Yep.
If you check these out, you're gonna be like, whoa, like this is exactly what I was talking about. Something like this, like recap after use. That's one of my favorite sites, by the way. I love the site, but yeah, see how you scroll and it does like you'll see like this one, tracing the future of web design through the history of art. I love that. Let's see, where's that website at?
Whoa.
Made in Webflow. Badass, huh?
Yeah, it's nice. Damn.
Which one are you looking at? Recap?
Yeah, recap after use.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I wanted our site to be like. Recap is my favorite. Like I've always recap's been my favorite the site design since we started this. Look at the last one I just sent. Like look at that one. That one's freaking crazy. Like this one's even crazier. But yeah, recap's badass, huh? The recap one's my favorite.
Yeah, recap's nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then there's also this one, the red and blue one. Oh, that one's okay. Oh yeah. Okay. See this one with the white like lines, dots. It's a Encore. Number seven. It would be it's number 7. I love the black and the white. I love that. On point. That's pretty cool. A new way of designing. Yeah, that one's good too. I guess the trick is just to get it to be like, what do you call it? Responsive, you know?
Yeah, the responsive will be a kind of difficult.
Which one do you like the best so far?
Recap's so nice.
He's a web designer. I mean, listen, he's a web designer. Listen, if you're gonna, oh yeah, no code movement, that's cool. If you were gonna go and get a website, would you not pick him? I mean, it's like, fuck yeah, I'd pick him. Like he's like, okay, this is pretty cool. So yeah, let's check this out. Copy video URL. Rush?
Yeah. You're
gonna be obsolete soon. Just kidding. Because the code, no, look, watch, look, this is why. Because they're saying no code, but that's not true. I don't think things can, we'll watch it together right now. I haven't seen it yet. I don't think things can be completely no code, but we'll see. Okay, let's see. Let's watch it right now.
Today, the world runs on code. Every text you send, every website you visit, every screen you swipe, it's all driven by code. Code that only a fraction of the world can even understand. And that's a problem. Imagine if only 1 out of every 400 people knew how to write. Think how many world-changing ideas would have never seen the light of day. We'd be stuck in the dark ages. And when it comes to software development, we kind of are. So what if, instead of writing hundreds of lines of code to add new features to your website, you could just design them directly on your website? What if you could create the next world-changing product without writing a single line of code? That's the future for creators, and it's about to change everything. It's time to unleash the power of software development to everyone by making it visual. So anyone can harness the power of code to build a website, an app, or an entire business without actually writing it. At Webflow, we're doing exactly that. We're empowering creators to design, build, and launch amazing things. No code required. Welcome to the future of software development. Welcome to the age of no code.
We have to shut down our flow.
Damn, that was a good video, huh?
Right.
Oh yeah, did you look at these, Rosh? Look at check this shit out. So the AWW awards, which you know I'm obsessed with AWW awards. That's like my favorite. Okay,
Yeah,
they have
okay.
their own academy. But it's expensive. It's so expensive for these. It's like $200 for 3 hours.
$200 for 3 hours.
Okay, so
Whoa.
wait, you're back end, right? So let's see if there's like
Yeah.
so these are like the best of the best, by the way. Like all these people won.
Hmm.
Let's see, so like you're back end. So how would we find back end? Other? You're not back end, really? Okay, this is why, because we're designers. We're not. I see people get confused because they think that like when we say we're website designers, they figure we're not website developers or website designers, which most people, which actually the whole team's becoming developers, have actually noticed. You know what I mean? It's not just like
Yeah.
designers only, but this is cool. This is what I wanted to get for. I was gonna get this for Addy, but it's $65 like for 3 hours. That's kind of a lot. But you know what I mean? It's like I could pirate that. Or like, I feel horrible. It's just a lot of money. Like, you know, here we go. Richard. For 3 hours, you know, that's like, what do you think? That would have to be like pretty.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Good. That better be a good course. Okay, what's Lottie?
Lottie is a animation library. That's what Adi, not Adi, Ashish uses.
It's an animation library. What's that mean?
Yeah, animation. Lottie.js, Lottie.js. Just type Lottie.js. It's
So
by
it's already,
AWP.
so it's already pre, it's already.
No, it's not free. You'll have to code it out. Like they'll give an export. You'll have to import that file, and you'll have to. They've already written functions. You'll just have to use them, but you'll have to know how to use them. So you'll have to learn that a bit. But it's not that complicated. It's easy to get started with Lottie.js.
Here you go. Look, build your first React Native app using Framer.
Framework. React Native is kind of slow. I tried React Native. There are two mobile apps.
Playing with code.
Let's see. Let's see what it
Fun.
says.
And I want to share this experience with you. Are you a designer who's interested in code and just want to learn
You're
how
not
to
sharing
make
a screen, eh?
React Native
Oh, I'm not?
application? Then
No.
join.
Oh my God. Did you watch the last thing we watched together? Did you watch that? Did you watch the?
I watched on my PC.
That's
the
bad.
flow one.
I'm so sad. I'm so stupid. I can see share screen. Is that it? Okay, cool.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Here we go. Okay, let's see what he says.
What's a category?
Schools. We're gonna build a portfolio app using Framer Web and React Native.
So
And I have
wait,
a
you
lot of
know what Framer Web is?
No, I don't know what's framework. Let me go.
templates and code snippets
Framer
ready
Web.
to use. We start with the fundamentals and we end up with a real working application. So please join this course and I hope to see you soon.
Hmm.
Playing with code is fun.
Oh, this is a prototyping app, just like Figma. Framer.
Oh, so that's good for backend though?
No, this is just for the front end, just for the designing part.
Oh wait, look. This is you though, right? Right here.
Watching your stream. Where?
Smart form endpoints. Let me see.
Powerful from backend.
What is this? Get form.
Okay, smart form endpoints. Endpoints
Let's see.
are the backend stuff.
Oh, look, this is what we need. What we need, Raj. Raj, that's exactly what we
Like-
need.
What do we need? Like these are for forms, right?
Look, it's a login. Look, watch. Look, you can
Okay.
log in.
Right.
Look.
Yeah, this is what we need, but it's a template. You will have to change it.
I'm just saying,
That's
this looks like
hectic,
it's
right?
making it easier to make a database. Like what you're trying to do, maybe a little bit easier.
No. I don't think it's a database. Do they have a database or something?
Well, no, I don't think it's a
That's-
database, but I mean, made it like it's like a. You know, what is this thing then? It's like a.
It's just a login form, and they have a server with the backend. That's it, nothing else.
So are you gonna design our are you gonna
Yeah,
design,
this is what we are doing on the left side. Yeah, they're coding it. Even we are coding it. Me and Tarun.
I
They're
think
doing the
that,
same thing in code on the
what do you
left side.
think about this front? What do you think about this login screen for mobile and for I like whatever you did on your last app, you did great. That was great. I just, simple, minimalistic. It was perfect. I've also realized that with phone apps, it's really important because like people have like fat fingers,
Mhm.
like they can't touch buttons
Yeah.
and stuff, like they need, like I have big thumbs. Like I can't I can't stand if I'm on an app and like the buttons are tiny. It drives me crazy, you know what I mean? Because I'm just like, I can't see anything. So let's do here. Do you want to show me that video? Yes, actually, let me see. Back end. Okay, so
From an
at this.
external API. Look at that. Pause it 1 minute. They're getting it from an external API. So we'll have to make an external API. That's what I did.
wait,
So
wait for
they're
my-
showing,
okay, but-
yeah, they're showing how to from the backend. APIs are all built in the backend. Okay.
Okay.
So external APIs are third-party providers over here. So like if you want to build a weather app, we don't have the data for the weather app, right? So there are providers like what do they call it? I don't know, weatherforecast.com. There are stuff like that. They give API endpoints. You can use that endpoint and you can display data. So that's what this guy is doing. It's similar.
which one are you doing? Like, what do you
So
wait,
so
wait,
we are
Airtable.
building. We'll have to build our Airtable is this one database.
How to synchronize.
Will this make it
Airtable
easier for
to
you though
work
to
so
got something like
seamless.
this? Does it
Like,
save you from having to build it? Like, does it save you like what?
there's nothing in the middle. See, using Webflow, we can just
Either my name
store data in Airtable. We can't validate it. So what if user enters a wrong password? How will you check if it's right or not?
If,
So we'll have to
oh,
write
dummy
code.
password. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So those
What's
kind of stuff.
API? What's API?
API is an applicational programmer interface. What it means is it's a backend part. You'll have to write so that the front end can consume the data. What do I mean by that? Like I'll have to show it.
Oh, well, look, have you heard of this, Xano?
Right.
No, look, you can build the
Which
backend. You can build the backend without code now, supposedly. I heard about this. I didn't believe it because I'm like, how do you build the backend without code? But look, watch, I heard about this thing actually.
Hello
Okay.
and welcome to Timmy Codes. Today we are going to be talking about Xano.
Okay.
It's a no-code backend development platform. And we are going to be doing
I can't believe I forgot to tell you about this that I heard about. Yeah, here we go. Let's see.
Xano. Okay.
Yeah, let's check this out. Let's see what it is.
So I want to take a moment and explain at a high level, what is Xano? Specifically, what is a backend? And what is Xano as a Snowcode backend, okay? So one metaphor we really like to use is that of a restaurant. So in a restaurant, you have the customer, they come in, they look at the menu, and they place an order with the waiter. This can be a specific order, say a cheeseburger, no onion. The waiter takes the specifics of that order to the kitchen, where the kitchen whips up that food, gives that cheeseburger, no onion back to the waiter, who goes on and makes a happy customer. In other words, we can think of the customer like the front end. Okay, this is what the user sees, this is what the user interacts with, this is where the inputs are happening, okay? The waiter is the API. The API is what takes those inputs, takes that order from the customer, and delivers it to the kitchen where the server and database are. So Xano, as this no-code backend development platform, is really taking care of both the waiters and the kitchen's job. So this looks like Xano providing both a server and database that are extremely powerful, very flexible, and highly scalable. In addition to the waiter's job, which is the API. So Xano provides ready-to-go APIs that you can immediately start plugging into your front end to have a working system. So this is really powerful because as a point-and-click system, Xano is essentially enabling all users to do the work of a senior software engineer that might take up to a couple days. And we're really doing this in a matter of minutes. So
Did you just hear
with
that?
Yeah.
we're really excited to see the cool stuff that you create, and we're here to support you along the way.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
we have to look into this then, definitely. You know what I mean? This could be a big deal for us. This can make the workflow so much faster and so much less stressful on you.
Like it doesn't matter. Like I don't mind. I like coding because even though if I learn it,
It's not that
but
bad.
still like
33
but
bucks a month.
still like yeah, but when I go to other companies, they'll be expecting me to use code and code it out. So
No, it's
anyways,
true.
you'll have to learn it. So I was like,
You don't mind doing it. No, but okay, but listen, this is what they're saying. They're not saying that you can't do it because like they're
yeah.
like because they want you to still have that skill. Like if I were gonna hire somebody, like the fact that if you didn't know code, like I wouldn't want you to work for the company. I mean, that's just how it is. You know what I mean? Nothing
Yeah.
personal. If you can only use Xano or if like I just wouldn't work for me. So it's good that you know both, but it saves time. It's practical.
Yeah, true. It saves time.
Why waste work? You know what I mean? Because the budget and stuff. Like why waste time when you can do the same thing? Like we know you can do it. You know, proving yourself is not the problem, but it's the time management.
Okay.
Saving so much time, you know what I mean? Like, 'cause think about it, you could get other shit done, you know, that you could be doing when you could be using something that could just make it a lot easier for you, I guess is what I'm saying. It's not that you can't do it, it's that it just makes it easier. Would you be interested in something like this if I got it? Like, okay,
I'll have a look at it.
Yeah, like if we got this right now, like tell me like how this would get started for free. If you want, you can go and download it and you want to mess with it right now.
Is it free or something?
No, you get started for free. Maybe they'll let you test it first.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, just like a you know,
Try.
the trial. Just get started for free.
Okay.
Maybe they'll let you download it. What I was gonna say, yeah, just I wonder like what could this do for you? Like what is it? Do you even really know? Or like I don't even know.
I'll have to check it out. I'll check it out.
Oh, I'm excited. Cool. Let me know when it's done downloading. That would be pretty cool to watch that. An interesting like thing. Are you downloading it right now?
I'm checking it out.
Like I'm checking it out. Leave me alone.
No. I'm checking the documentation. Like, what is it? Like, how do you use it and stuff?
Yeah. Where's Ash at? Yeah, it doesn't even matter about so like the meeting. Since you and I are still talking, then I'm not going to shut down the meeting. The meeting's going to continue. So and are still. Okay, cool. So, can you share your screen?
Like, you'll have to.
Oh shit.
You're already
Yeah.
sharing.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Yeah, if we could get this, oh god, I would love to get like what kind of computer like would you want? Like if you could pick one, like I mean, if it's like an average, not like a super expensive, but like a new computer, like what would you pick? Like a Windows like
I know I would save money for a Mac.
you want a MacBook too? Yes.
No, I'll be honestly saying for a Mac.
Yeah, I love Macs. They're really good. And you know what? And I don't care. They're meant for designing and stuff. Okay, yeah. Okay, what's this? Okay, what's this? This is a.
This is what I'm using. The PostgreSQL database.
Okay, SQL. But what is so? How would this help us with time and like how would this put less stress off of you? Yeah, let's see what's going on. Xano, look at it utilizes it. That's perfect for you. Okay, here, go to the top right there. Like you can read about all you want until you try. Yeah, get started for free. Hit that one and let's see what it's about. I think this could be good for you, Rosh. I mean, this could be good because it could save time. It could stress. I mean, we're not like I said, we're not saying that you can't do that, but why work smarter than harder, I guess. Okay, use you sign up with Google. Do the sign up or sign up with GitHub or whatever. Doesn't matter.
Okay. I'll use mine.
Okay. Yeah, the only reason is because no one else is gonna be using this part. Well, actually, maybe Tyron might be using it with you. I don't know how that works. So.
Okay, what if I put sort of like a discount?
What's prototyping? You could get really good discounts through GitHub if you're a student. I heard.
Yeah.
Here, I'm not looking. Be modest.
Hmm.
Yeah, what's this JavaScript framework? It's cool. Okay. Workspace name. What's Airtable?
Database or database. Start with
I have no idea what the fuck that means. Oh, you already know how you're like. Cool.
damn, this is fast.
It's what? It's nice.
Like I'll have see like Stripe is for payments, okay? Like
That's what I want to use.
card
That's
payment.
what I want us to
Yeah.
use. This is this really how easy they're making this right now? Just like you click whatever
Exactly.
you
This
want.
is so easy. Exactly. Damn, look at this. Google authentication done. One click Google sign and stuff.
Are you fucking serious? Well, Facebook too. Do Facebook too.
Damn.
Okay, we're gonna have to get this done.
Like free.
It's at $30, I think.
Told you.
Mhm. I don't care to listen. I'm telling you, it's like think about all the time it's gonna save you that you can build, you can start the app and like you know what I mean, other things. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true, but like
That's worth it to me. Because think about the money we're losing really by wasting by time that we could be saving. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
That's how cool is this? This is so cool, Raj. How cool is this thing? Like
It's nice. It's nice.
it can completely so like everyone this can completely like change your like because I bet you're like, oh, front end gets like Webflow. Now it's you know it's easier for them and now you're like, oh, back end just stuck. But no, dude, back end was not back end was taken care of too. How cool is this? Wow, look at that.
Done with setup. What the heck?
I can't wait to see you mess around with this thing. I bet you could do some cool shit in here, huh?
That is yes, reinstall something. Okay, fine. Connect it to your front end. Okay. And switching set of Facebook auth. Okay. We have to set this up and it's done.
I think you can just build it right now, huh? And then we can just pay for it
Yeah,
afterwards.
we can.
Cool. Wow, look how much easier this shit is. That's crazy. So like, so instead you're having to do everything like it was a lot harder, probably. Huh? That's crazy.
Okay, this is what they give.
Wow. Okay, so then what were you teaching? What were you teaching? Tyron, then you're teaching him React.
Front end, yeah, React.
Okay.
Okay. They already gave few users. Click on.
They want you to pick a user.
No. Okay, no.
I have no idea. I'm just gonna go with it.
It's a database. It's a database.
To Ash? Oh no, it's not Ash.
No, it's a friend. It's a friend.
I love Ash. I hope he's okay. Like I hope like no one was getting frustrated yesterday with like the shop.
Hello guys. Hi Alex. Hi Roshan.
Who is it?
Tarun.
Uh,
Tarun,
this
look
is
at this.
Ashish.
Da.
Taryn, you're not gonna believe this. Taryn, you're not gonna believe this shit. Okay, explain it, Rob.
First no code front end, now no code back end. What is this?
No,
And no code backend. Yeah.
Exactly.
Check out
What the heck?
check out how easy this makes it, T. You're gonna
Bro,
flip
like
out.
I one click I added a database, I added people, I added Google authentication also. What is this? See? It's ready now. You can connect it.
Bro.
What the heck?
Nuts, huh? Isn't that so crazy?
Is it a free service? Is it a free
Done.
service?
Yeah, we can
Well,
test
it's
it
free.
out for free.
Yeah, well, you like it's the same thing like how you can build a Webflow a free site and then when you're ready to launch, we'd pay like $30. But I'm telling you, the time that we would save just for that, you know what I mean? Think about it, T. Think about the amount of time and effort we would save when we're building clients' websites. You know what I mean by having this.
Yeah, makes sense.
So Roshan, is the database done?
Like I did it in code. I finished it, done. Everything's ready. Now I'm starting with the app.
Oh, it is?
With Alex, yeah. Then Alex shows me this. I'm like, damn.
Why not?
Damn. Roshan, how long did how do you pronounce this? Zano.
Zano.
Ano.
Bro, like she gave this now. I create error.
Guys,
Yeah, hi, man.
Oh, Max, check this out. Okay, explain it, Raj. Check this out. Like, this is awesome. Look at that.
This is
No-
actually
Yeah,
cool,
no code
dude.
backend.
No code backend.
oh,
How much of a backend? Okay, so how to set this up?
okay, so explain, okay.
How cool is that stuff? Max, that thing is awesome. This thing is awesome. Like, I mean, he said he could just you could just add like Facebook login and Google login with like a click of a button. Like, just like bam. Like,
Okay, technology. I need to know, can I attach it to
Okay,
web?
we'll have to buy the thing.
Would you
This
buy right
doesn't
now?
work that well. No. This doesn't. The Google. I was thinking my Google application not working. They're like we'll have to pay for it. See that like this is a like basic front end. This is what front end they gave. This is the URL backend URL. It's already hosted for us. We can directly call it, and these are the users which we added, like demo users which comes with it.
So
It's
you're
all in
telling
the
me, you're
data.
telling me it's that
All in
easy.
the database.
So our clients can log in with a Google
that's
account.
easy. Yep.
Wow, that's
One
freaking
click
crazy.
Google form.
And Facebook, Facebook's a good way to log in.
Facebook too. Yeah, Facebook too.
And email and regular email.
Or email. Yeah, or email.
Tyron, what do you have to say about this?
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
what
that's
the- this is-
okay, Roshan. It was nice working with you.
So
Oh damn.
hey,
Oh
Rush,
boy. Look at
Rush.
this schema. Yep.
So where we need to put the custom code to use this?
This one backend.
Okay, this is backend, but we connecting it to front end with the link
Yeah.
that they give. Yeah. So we should
Yeah,
put it in some script HTML
Yeah,
tag. Or...
JavaScript. We'll keep a separate file or something and we'll do it.
Okay, perfect. So we can add it to Webflow. Perfect.
Yep. Damn, that's it's actually unbelievable, dude.
Even I didn't know. Like Alex was just checking YouTube. Where were you checking, Alex?
Oh, look,
YouTube.
Explorer
not for
Edition,
backend.
Explorer Edition. Yeah, I was like, well, I forgot because I
Yeah.
remember hearing about it earlier and I just can't believe I didn't tell him. Like,
Limited APIs. Wow.
$30.
but listen, the sites that we're going to be
But-
building is going to make up for this. You know what I mean? Like I'm telling you right now, like it's going to be making
Yeah,
up for it. And this is not only that, but Max and T now can start doing backend with you probably and learn it now. You know what I mean? And they can even help with backend.
Yes.
So that's my
Yeah.
point. It's that the money is so worth it to me. Like it's worth it more than like, I mean, I feel like it should be more expensive. Oh wait, go down. Wait, what's it say? Forms and email chat response.
Yeah. No, support.
Oh, okay.
Support.
I was gonna say, oh yeah, but by the way, guys, I was thinking maybe we could switch to GoDaddy for our host.
Hosting. Yeah. GoDaddy is nice.
About hosting we talked it, right? Like let's talk about that in the
Let's-
testing phase.
Like when we have the prototypes ready and when we
Type
are
in do me a favor, Rush. Type in VPS. Show Tyron what I mean by VPS. Virtual private.
VPS is like you'll get a virtual server, you'll have to set it up there.
No. Do the one through GoDaddy. GoDaddy. GoDaddy VPS. Yeah, GoDaddy. It's not that expensive. It's only $10 a month. Like I'll show you right now.
What?
Look,
$10?
Yeah. Look, no, wait, no, wait. This
Yeah,
is different.
340, 440, around wait, 10. Yeah, below $10. Below
I'm
$10.
confused.
$10
Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. I was
$10.
like, that makes no sense. I was like, that was in dollars.
It's in
Like,
rupees.
okay, good. No, but look at this. Go to HiRam. Go to HiRam over there. Go to the top right where it says HiRam.
Oh, here.
So then, yeah, it's only $10.
What's the difference?
That's what I'm saying. So go to HiRam.
Taran, what? This is lesser.
Karen.
Exactly. What the heck?
Oh, 50. They're giving us offer 50%.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But Tyron, look, it says Linux only.
Yeah.
though.
Where does it say that?
I can take care of that.
Okay.
I can take care of that.
My point is this is a VPS. It's very powerful. Like it's right now we're on shared hosting, which is like, I mean, you're pretty much sharing a house with somebody, but this is like a virtual, it's private. It's really fast, right, Rosh?
Yep, it's fast. But
very
the
fast.
issue will be we'll have issues like scalability. So what I was talking about scalability, like how do I explain it? Okay, so what if we have multiple? See, this is only 2 gigs of RAM. Where was it? This has only 1 CPU core and 1 GB RAM. Okay, now high RAM. 2 gigs of RAM, right, Alex?
Okay.
So what if we have more than, so assuming this can hold up to 100 incoming requests, so 100 people using a website at the same time, okay, they like it won't lag, website will be proper, there won't be any issues. Once it crosses 100 users, our servers are going to crash and website's going to go down. So
But
we
can't,
need
but we can't,
multiple
wouldn't we be
servers.
warned though? Wouldn't something warn us though to tell us that we need to upgrade or like, it would have to give us some sort of warning?
That depends on GoDaddy. I don't know, will they help in that place or what?
Just because I always heard you can
This-
like literally
yeah.
upgrade at any time. You know what I mean? Because
Yeah,
they say
you can upgrade it anytime, true.
they say that it's literally a waste of money to start off too much too soon. You know?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
agreed. And
But,
no, I'm just telling, once as soon as we go, like as soon as we become
Past
famous and
100?
stuff, we start getting more clients, we'll have to upgrade. That's what I'm
Oh,
trying to
absolutely.
say.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
because other in DreamHost, it'll automatically scale how many users are using. So we don't have to bother about that. That's
So I'm
the
saying
only difference.
DreamHost is really good company. That's I'm just kind of
Yeah,
surprised
it's
that
a
they
good
would pay
company. Yeah,
in the
they will
US.
take care of everything, scalability stuff. Here we'll have to take it. That's the only difference I'm pointing out.
I know, but I'm kind of
No.
freaking out because of the server situation.
Yeah.
You know? But,
Oh yeah,
if
the
it's not going to be a
cost
big
is
deal.
low. Yeah.
Well, no, just
It's
because
not
we're in
gonna be a
America,
big
because it's
deal.
American only. It's only an American server. That's why I was kind of like,
Hmm.
is it going to really mess things up though for us because of SEO? And I mean, is it still going to mess things up or?
Like
do we-
depends on our target audience. So like Aditya is focusing only on Taiwan countries, so US should be good for now. We'll have to look at that
Roshan, scroll down to the feature section.
features.
It was there. I don't know. You just scrolled it somewhere. Yeah.
This
Go
one,
down. Go
okay.
down. Yeah. Go down.
Fully
Oh, wait.
managed.
Yeah, this is, why don't we do self-managing? Why don't we do self-managing hosting? Look.
So
one to
we'll have
30
to manage everything.
That's my point though. That's what Tyron wanted to do though.
Yeah.
Tyron said that we should host our own servers for customers.
Tarun,
I mean, that would be really good, dude.
But listen, T. That's kind of ahead. But this is just to let us know it's
actually
possible.
heading.
It's absolutely possible though. Okay, for us to do that, and you know what? We could charge a lot of money for that too. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
exactly.
Makes sense. Agreed.
True.
Agreed.
But like
We
I'm
can
saying,
actually
we have to humble ourselves, guys. We have to go in this with being humble and be very thankful if we are able to get companies.
Who
in.
shoot? One and I'll be back. Damn,
So,
I'll be back.
but believe me, I think that knowing that we have the option though, we don't have to have a bunch of servers at our house. You know, it makes me really like happy. You know, to
Yeah.
know that we can do that, and it's not that it's not really that much more expensive. Like it's really not. But think about how cool that would be if we maintained it. So if we kept all of our sites like in our nest, you know what I mean? Like, right? It'd be like
Makes sense.
It'd be
Yeah.
like we have like a little nest or something, and like we keep them maintained, and like we would. What other way are you able to maintain websites and control websites other than like your nest in your home, right? Like so, it's like if we were able to host these websites off our platform, that would be freaking awesome. I mean, the maintenance would be seamless. It would just be like
I swear, dude. It'll be too good.
Just 1 minute. Like I'm
What
starting the
happened?
screen share. Attendance is
Yeah.
going on.
what?
Like she's like
Um,
execute the program and said nothing. You guys carry on. And I'll be back 1 minute.
Alex, I think I'll have to leave in another 5 minutes. I have to go have my lunch. I'll be
Oh,
back
okay.
after that.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yep.
Can you believe that backend? What Max? What do you think? Are you on it right now, Max?
Backend.
Yeah, the XO or what's it called? Xeno, XENO.
Yeah, Zeno.
I was gonna show you guys. I was gonna show you guys something real quick. Well, I'm just saying. Listen, I'm just saying if you guys would be interested, because we do need someone in the front end. Okay, obviously we need so. So T, what are you saying that you're liking the most? You're saying you're liking content writing the most, or?
I like wireframing, content writing, and backend, dude.
Okay, perfect. Then that's good. Then let's just stick with that. Then Max, I think the front end would be best. Just to stick. Could you like you like the front end, right, Max?
Yeah.
Okay, if you like the front end, then that's perfect. And if you like the back end, T,
Can
then
you look on it? I've done it today, so look in the number
oh look how clean. Oh wow.
and here. So
Oh my god. Oh my god. T, are you
Okay.
seeing?
Scroll down. Oh my god. Oh
but
my.
because of sticky, I need to fix a little issue here.
I'm freaking
so-
out. I'm just like I'm freaking out. This is so good.
Yeah, here
Oh
is
my God.
shit because of sticky, but I'll fix it. It's okay.
Max,
So
You are freaking. You and Ash did this together, huh?
Ash did an animation. I set it up on the website,
You've done.
and
so
I've
freaking
done
good.
an navbar. So
You've done so freaking good. We're so lucky we found you. We're like I can't like we're
Yeah.
like so lucky. Like that was just such a random day, huh? Look at this T. Are you like you're just out of breath.
Dude.
Oh,
Blown out. I'm completely blown out. I mean, damn. The animation on the left is just too crazy, dude.
I know I love this. Look at the
Actually-
Mad Empty. See the Mad Empty how it does this like swirls in between. I love
yeah,
that.
it's a fixed gradient.
I
It's
love that.
Ashish work, so
Oh my
it's
god. I
really
love
cool.
that. Dude, Max, you did such a you and Ash worked just so well together, huh?
Yeah.
I swear about that, dude. Like,
And look
the-
at that. I
the
love
good-
the font. I love the font. The font's perfect. Who picked out the font? You did, huh, T?
What font was it?
Circular. Yeah.
Love that font. That font,
Circular.
right? Yeah, circular.
Yeah.
It's a good font. What do you think about it, Max?
About the fonts,
No, about the site. What do you think about it?
about the website, I'm really like it. So it's
come on,
clean.
Alex. He's the one who built it.
When
Oh my
you-
God, Rosh, look at this. Look at this, Rosh. Look.
Yeah, I'm looking at that. Exactly. What is that?
This is our sites. Look.
It'll take a year for me to do that in Code.
Look at that. Wow, guys, I'm so freaking excited. This is so awesome.
I mean, if when clients visit our website and they look at this, I'm
And
pretty sure
I see on the
out
left
of
we
10,
have little
minimum
They'll
flower
want,
eight
yeah,
will
they'll
click
want
on
a
Wix.
custom website. Yeah, they'll want a custom website.
I mean, who the hell would want to go to Wix? Like, I mean, look at this. This is like, guys, I'm so freaking stoked. You guys have no idea. Like, okay, listen, no, actually, no. I need to correct myself. I keep thinking that Wix is the enemy, but like, we don't want to look at like Wix as the enemy, because in this kind of field, there's going to be people who need things like Wix, and then some people who don't. You know what I mean? So, as a matter of fact, guess what? I found out that Wix has an affiliate program, so we can even send our clients. We can even send our clients to Wix, and then we can get a cut from that.
Yeah, referral, right?
And then and then I'm thinking that cut can just go right back into the business, as far as like you know, we can just use the affiliate for like maybe upgrading equipment. We can just put like a little savings pot or something for everybody. You know what I mean? Like just for fun, right? Because I kind of feel like affiliates kind of like this kind of, I don't want it to cheat out and be kind of selfish. And I feel like it's kind of cheating. So I feel like we should use that money for like the whole company as a whole. Does it make any sense for like new maybe like, you know what I mean? Does it make any sense? Because I feel like if we're gonna, do you know I'm coming at like what I'm trying to say? Because I feel like it's kind of,
yeah, I think I get you, Jay.
just because I feel like we should all share. I feel like you should go back into the company only because it's kind of, I don't know if it's taboo to promote another site and gain money off of it when that's what you do. I feel like it's kind of morally wrong. I'm not really sure if affiliate marketing through Wix would be right. I don't know how I feel about it yet. What do you guys think? By the way.
Affiliate marketing, I think it's actually a really good way to make a quick buck, dude.
That's what I'm saying. It's a quick bug, but I think that like that's what I'm saying. I think it would be kind of selfish for us to like keep that personally. Does that make any sense? We should keep it for like the business.
I think it should go back into the website.
That's what I'm thinking too.
I mean,
like, well, no, not even the website, but I was thinking what we could do is every year it can be like a honeypot or something, and at the year we can define. You know, like how you have like things that round up to like the nearest penny. There's stuff like that. Does that for you? I'm thinking like every time we get an affiliate hit, we can just put it like in the pot, and then at the end of the year we just split it or something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, make
something like that.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Because I have to handle. Because I was talking to the accountant today, and the accountant said to handle all those
I
affiliates.
think I showed you what I want. I'm little need to go. So
yeah, even I'll probably need to go, Jade. I need to have my lunch.
Oh yeah, okay, sure, yeah, for sure. Are you gonna come back, Max, or you're done for the night?
Max, are you coming back?
me?
Yeah, Max, don't you don't have to come back tonight. You don't have to. It's okay. I understand. You've done great though, dude. You've done so freaking awesome. I'm so proud of you, and I'm like really happy. Yeah, so thank you so much.
Yeah, we have done some cool work. So
yeah, take a break tonight, man. You know, go play your video games and do your thing. And oh yeah, when are you gonna play guitar first? Your guitar. When are you gonna play? You got your strings, right?
About fucking balalaika, I need to go to the post office and get the strings and set it up. So
well, we're gonna have a big show for you. We're gonna film it and everything. It's gonna go on the YouTube site. All right, man. Okay, I'll talk to you later. T, all right, Max, I'll see you later. T, so where's Ash at? Have you talked to him?
Ash asked so do I want to get on a meeting? But
no, is Ash is coming on a meeting? You said?
Wait.
I think I talked too fast. T, I think. Sorry, T. You need to go too. Okay. Rosh and I will hang around for you guys and wait.
Okay.
All right. Cool. All right.
Yeah,
Rosh?
sure. Bye.
Okay, bye, Max. Thank you.
Yeah, Bhushan,
Yeah,
Bye,
coming
T.
back, right?
Huh?
You're coming back here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna take like 20 minutes, dude.
Ah,
I should
fine.
have
Then
an-
come back.
His dad he doesn't want him to text at the table and stuff.
Okay, so
Fine.
goodbye.
Good luck.
Okay.
All right,
guys.
goodbye,
See you,
Max.
see you.
Bye. Wow, he did such a great job, guys. I'm just like,
Actually,
Rosh, I am just like blown away. I cannot wait to put that on. I just can't believe it right now. I'm just like, wow, how good did that look?
actually.
Okay,
Like,
yeah,
Alex, like, what if I
share
have
your
a doubt?
screen. Wait, what?
I have a doubt. Like, what if a client wants just a code? What do we do then?
Well, you know how to code though, right?
Yeah, like, what if they want the backend code? Like,
But that's okay. But okay, that was my question. That was my question. So listen, Webflow spits out the code for you.
Yeah, okay.
Does Xano do the same thing?
Don't know how to see.
That's what we need to find out. Does Xano let you keep the code? Because that's the cool thing about Webflow is every time you build into it, it's building the code flawlessly for you. So you can take that code and it's already written. I just do not see why Xano wouldn't do the same thing. It's hard to believe that Xano would do this and you can't keep the code from it, you know? Let's see. Can I scale?
Shoot, I did it somewhere.
When it comes to 95%.
Mhm. Yeah. No. Can I move my backend code off Xano? No. Xano system creates and hosts all your backend development code with simplified no code methodology. Moving it can potentially break and render your project.
This
will
okay,
make
but
it-
listen, Russia, I really feel like you already know how to do code anyways, and it's just one of those things where okay, look, you have to look at this not as like a bad thing. This is a tool. This is a tool that you can use.
Yeah, this is a tool, right? Yeah, I don't
That's
know.
my point. So like if I really doubt that if a customer knows enough to know that they want custom code, I feel like they're
Okay.
not, you know, that's just this is custom code though. I don't know what we're not even gonna explain the process to them, I don't think, right? We're not gonna tell them what we're gonna use and all that, right? I mean,
True,
like maybe
yes.
I'm thinking maybe just skimming like the top, but we're not gonna go into every little tool we use. Like I really doubt that the client's gonna know that we're gonna use this tool for backend. They're gonna be like, what the fuck's a backend?
True.
Like, you know what I mean? They're gonna be like, what the fuck does that mean? Like
Yep. Hmm.
that's my point. I just
Okay.
really don't I think they don't care as long as it's done or as long as it's done, you know, how they want it to be done.
Yes,
So
agreed. Like my question is the other question which the other clients would ask is like, what if there's already a company, a good company, a well-known company? Like, what if they want to rebrand the site? So that time we'll have to build a
a rebrand. Oh,
what
you
if
mean
they're
so you
using
mean so if they want the content.
rebranding,
Okay, okay,
especially
okay.
rebranding. Yeah. So that
Well,
time
then
we'll
that's
have
what
to
okay,
give
but
them the
listen,
code.
what was your plan before we found this tonight?
Coding it directly.
Exactly.
with your code. So,
Exactly.
okay,
That's just
then fine.
is this the only platform by the way for backend, I wonder? Like for I wonder if Xeno is the only yeah, let's see yeah, alternate or just put like a no code backend or something. Oh shit, look at all these. Okay, put no code. Yeah, okay. Wow, look at that. I had no idea that it was gonna be like that many.
Okay, Xano's the first.
Here we go, no code API. No
Okay.
code tool is Xano, no code. Zero code, that's cool. This isn't the same thing, is it?
Yeah. That's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Oh wow, this one. Okay,
But
click
it's
click the
limited.
play-
Like they use Airtable.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Here,
they
click
don't
the play
use
button. Can we
SQL
see it? Let's see what it says. So it says Xeno is more customizable, I guess.
Yeah, we can use a PostgreSQL. See, they use only one. They use only Airtable.
Hopefully, maybe they just launched and maybe they'll end up adding more. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
But you're right. We need one that's going to be not limiting us.
Hmm.
Oh wow, that's a lot of code. Oh wow. What's he trying to show right now? I don't understand what he's like. What, do you understand what he's doing?
This is the dashboard. And no code API, their website dashboard. This
Are those
just one
plugins?
for a look. Yeah, all these are plugins. Google.
Okay, how do you feel about this one? I don't feel like it's going to be as good.
Not that good. Xano is better, right?
Okay,
I
let's
think
see.
Xano is
Let's keep looking around. Okay, Xeno alternative. Let's do Airtable. No, Apple Pie. I think that's pretty much it. Okay, let me see. No code. And so pretty much the only thing that would limit us, that's how I would look at it. Like if we're not gonna have a client that really cares about the code, I just feel like, okay.
Yeah, we can use this. Yeah, then
Here, try this one. Try this one. Zero. Yeah,
This
that
one.
one right there. Yeah, try that one. Ooh. Wait, no code template.
Templates. Okay, fine. Let's see. Build templates. No. Not for anything with the code.
Maybe we should read about it or like watch a video. Like, what the fuck is this? I don't understand. Oh, it's. Oh wow.
That's a record. Yeah, that's a.
So basically, it's an organization app
Hmm.
for your clients, right? It's to keep your clients' info.
Yeah,
User
see, API
authentication,
fine,
API.
fine. User authentication. We'll need this. Payment integration. We need Stripe. File management. I don't know. Emails. No.
Oh. I still feel like Xenon Zero, whatever's gonna be
Yeah,
better.
Xano is better.
Man, so like I wonder how you would be able to use the code. Anything that says template, I'm like, ugh. Okay, well, yeah. So okay, that makes sense. So look how nice these are. Wow.
Better than WordPress, right?
Fuck, I know, huh? Shit. I don't think is this back end?
Oh, this is the whole website. Whole website. See, payment system wish list. Wish list is like the favorite button.
Okay, but how would that integrate with our site? Would it mess it up?
Like this is a template for what? A food delivery app. See, a food delivery website.
But ours is like, so how would we find the
Ours
one?
is a portfolio. Ours is fully custom, right?
Okay, wait. So you're telling me that basically for what you've been coding and doing, they just have one for $200 you can buy like that easy.
Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna lose our jobs, like you know what I mean? Like
100%.
this is
See, this
fucked
is the
up.
demo.
Wow, that's nice. So basically, you know how we were worried about that we didn't have a MacBook so we wouldn't have to worry about that, would we? We just do it online, right?
Yeah, for our app, we can do it in yours. Like, I'll tell you what to install. You just install it and you're done.
Oh, look at those. Head Start Pro, no multi-purpose. Head Start multi-purpose, no code templates, everything you need to launch. That one looks nice. But how would this integrate with our website is what I'm trying to say. Here, can you click the play button for
Like,
me?
it's a kit.
Let me see. But like how would it mess up with our with what our template is? You know what I mean? Like our colors and let me see. For any website. Okay.
Later, YouTube quality is bad.
So it's not gonna be like a theme like design wise, it's just gonna be the features.
It's a template. It's a whole website.
Okay, but but my point is we already have a website.
Yeah, we already have one.
So it would take it over. Okay, subscription. Look
So-
at the subscription thing. That's cool. That's really cool, actually. Man, that's so like look, they just make it so easy. It's ridiculous. Like, so okay, so what are your thoughts about this negative wise for using something?
I feel Xano's better because those guys are gonna do it on this one, right? Like, see, most of the clients they don't know what's code, so they won't even know what we're doing.
Yeah, let me sure.
So our guys like Ashish and those guys are gonna do it on Webflow, right? So let them do it on Webflow, and I'll do the backend in Xano.
Yes, exactly,
better.
exactly. So let's look at this real quick. This looks cool. I'm so stoked that we found this for you because it's like, how much time is this going to save you?
That's true.
How much time do you think it would save you?
Days.
Oh wow, that's
Welcome
easy.
to Xano, the fastest and
Okay,
most
yeah.
powerful no-code backend development tool. Designed from the ground up to greatly accelerate your time to market, we have codified the principles around what it takes to build a highly performant, scalable, and customizable backend into a simple point-and-click interface.
Wow, look at that.
Xano is a fully hosted solution that is auto-magically documented while you build your business logic, API endpoints, and background tasks, all without having to write a single line of code. This is Xano.
Wow. So then, do you
Welcome to Xano.
you feel like you would
the
need
fastest and most
do you feel like
powerful-
you would need to wow, this is just a no code tech. This is just for all no code. That's really cool, huh?
Yeah, Webflow. Look at that.
What's this one? Wait, what's it? What's audio? What is this? You know what this is?
Darlo.
What the fuck's that? ALAD. I need to bookmark this. Let's see, I bookmark it. That's so okay. That's cool. Let me find out there's other tools we can be using this whole time. That's like fucking. Why is my computer lagging so dumb? Oh my god, do you hear my computer?
No.
No Code University. That's cool. Which one would you use?
Glide. Not code.
Database fundamentals.
Fine.
See what this means.
Oh, this is a course. It's a course, right? Yeah.
Oh, it's a course.
Yeah.
Okay.
16-minute course. Look at that.
No, I'm good. Okay. If you want me to get you something out of Udemy, let me know.
Okay. I'll let you know.
ADA. I mean, you'll probably honestly. Here we go. For no code app. Wow.
Amazing app really without coding. Okay.
The game has changed. Introducing $1. You don't need to code to create amazing apps.
Man, they're gonna put everyone out of work. You know.
Advancements in design tools,
Actually.
development languages, or entering operating
Look at that. Everything is over.
Are you fucking serious? Look at that. Do you just see that right now?
Yeah, exactly. Just drag and drop.
anyone the ability to turn their vision into real working software.
So that means that soon enough that it's not even gonna be it's gonna be like everyone can do it. You know?
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy. But you want to know something that's, you know, at least we're gonna be rocking the fact that we're gonna be the no code. We're gonna be actually the first probably no code companies out there, you know what I mean, that are actually rocking the fact that you don't, because it's just now hitting, you know, no code and stuff. And it takes a while to still learn this. You have to have a good team to put a creative thing together. Believe me, not just anyone can still do this. You know what I mean? There's still, believe me.
With Adalo, creating
And
no-code
there's
apps
gonna be some stuff you're gonna have to know code on Rosh. You know, there's gonna like you have to know code.
simple. All you have to do is drag and drop in components.
Oh wow, look at that.
images, Navigation bar, buttons.
Are you
and
serious?
Next, you create your database using simple spreadsheets built all in Adalo. After that, all you have to do is connect your design to your database. For example, choosing which data goes in this list. And then, voila, your app comes to life, a real native app built all by you. And the best
Okay, that's kind of ugly looking, don't you think? The app.
It's kind of ugly. It's a template, right? That's why.
Yeah, okay, it's not like it's ugly. It's clean, but it's just like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
You can kind of feel like what I'm talking about when I say it's ugly. Okay.
Evolve is available on every platform, from the Apple App Store to Google Play to your own website. But simple doesn't mean it can't be powerful. With Adalo, you're in complete control of design, from shadows to text to borders and branding. We've taken the flexibility of modern design tools and put that into our platform so that you can make it how you want it. On top of that, we've added some pretty sweet features.
No
You can
way.
add chat and
Add
trigger push
chat,
notifications for just about anything. You can even set up advanced workflows like requesting and booking. So no matter what your process is, you can transform it into a simple user experience
Oh, you mean like booking a meeting maybe, like for your client? Like that's crazy.
Yeah, workflow RAM.
for
Okay.
everyone. You can even design apps for purchasing by adding custom formulas to calculate those pesky things like tax and tip, set up payments, subscriptions, save credit cards, ACH.
Hey Raj, maybe you can design and develop an app that could be kind of like a no-code app for people.
Hmm.
We can even
Dragon.
hire. I can even hire you like a team to help you build it. Like maybe like we can build like a. Have you thought of any ideas maybe to build like an app that could help people? They always say when you want to build an app or like anything, you always think about how can I help? Like how can this help somebody? You know, and like what?
Hmm.
It seems like they're pretty much getting it down, but I mean, I'm thinking like, I wonder what you could use that you don't have that you could. It seems hard though. Wouldn't it be hard to code something to make it non-code?
It does, but if you have a team, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's what
You
I
can
heard.
do
Yeah.
it. You can split in.
Yeah, I don't know how. I mean, I couldn't imagine doing this without a team. You know what I mean? Like with doing.
Yeah.
I would not want to be a freelancer. I don't care what anyone says. You know what? You know what I mean? It's lonely and it sucks because you have to balance everything. It's good to have a team in case what if like a family emergency and you have to fall back and like they'll help. You know, it's just better to work as a team together. It's just better. It's more fun.
transfers, and more. But it doesn't stop there. You can connect your Adalo apps together. You can have different experiences for different users. Trigger
What?
actions to happen in other apps, and even integrate directly with your own API. Finally, a simple way to build an app without code that's just as powerful as code. Turn your startup idea, your side hustle, or your client's dream into reality with Adalo.
You don't have Decade? Maybe I could learn $1 and that could be like my maybe that could be like my part is besides just managing is doing like building apps. That'd be cool, huh?
Hmm.
I love apps. I love building apps and stuff. Maybe I can learn and look into it. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about this? You like it too?
Actually, nice.
Let's see how much it would be. Let's do actually what's clonable kits? That seems kind of like cheating. You see.
Hi, and welcome. Right here, so I can add a button as well.
Okay, designing your database, right? That would probably be the best.
Hmm.
Look how easy to make this.
Hi
5
there.
minutes long.
In this video, we're going to talk about designing your database. To start, we need to open up the Database tab by clicking on this icon in the left toolbar. The first thing you need to know about your database is collections. So what are collections? Collections are the things that the users of your app can see and make. Another way to think about collections is the nouns of your app. So if you're describing your app like this trip planning one, where a user can see a list of trips and activities and plan them with friends, you can think about what are the nouns that you just mentioned in that description.
So you can see that I mentioned trips and activities. And in fact, those are two of the collections we've got here. We've got three collections in this app: users, activities, and trips. Over here in this online ordering app, you can see I've also got three collections, but they're a little different. I still have users. Now I've got menu items and orders. Another way to think about what collections you might need is to think about the lists that you might have on the screens in your app. So for example, on this home screen, if I want to have a list of trips, then I'm going to need a collection of trips. And over here on this trip details screen, I've got a list of all the activities for a trip. Again, because I've got a list of activities, that means I'm going to need a collection of activities. For each collection, it holds the records. So for this trips collection, these three records are the three trips in my app's database. You can see here, one for Egypt, one for Alaska, and one for Hawaii. Collections also have properties. You can see on this trips collection, for example, we've got properties for the name of the trip, the description, the image, and the price. And there's a button here where I can add other properties. When you click this, you can see the different types of properties you can add, whether it's text property, number, true, false, or checkbox, dates and times, images, or even files that you might want to attach. One way to think about the kind of properties you need is thinking about what is the information that you're going to display about the items in your collection. So for example, on this trips list on my home screen, you can see that there's a title spot, and that's where I'm going to want the trip's name to be. So I need to have a name property for my trip. On this trip details page, I've got a place for a trip image as well as a trip description. So those are going to need to be properties as well. And then another way to think about properties, if the collections are the nouns in your app, then properties are more like the adjectives. They're the things that describe the nouns in your app. They describe the collection and add extra information so that users can know more about each record in your collection. Finally, the last thing to think about when designing your database is relationships. So a relationship is a special type of property. So for example, if I want to say that this trip has a relationship to my activities collection, I can go in and click on activities. Right now they just have a name, but I need to add one more relationship property so that they're related to trips. So I can click on add property, then relationship, and then trips here. And when I do that, it's going to ask how are trips and activities related. You have three options. The first is the most common. It says a trip can have multiple activities, and an activity belongs to one trip. That's exactly what we want. The next option is the reverse of that, where a trip can only have one activity, but an activity can have multiple trips. Obviously, that doesn't make sense in this scenario. And then this next one is where an activity can have multiple trips and a trip can have multiple activities. Again, what we want for this example is the first one. So we'll click this. Now you can see that I've got a new property here under activities. So activities now have name and then a link to the trip that they belong to. You can also see if I expand trips now, that there's automatically a property added for multiple activities that are part of that trip. Let me show you another example. If I click on add property on trips, let's say I want to add a relationship to my users, and I want this to be my travel party. So in this case, I'm going to choose actually the third option, because a trip can have multiple users in the travel party and a user can have multiple trips. So if I select this third option, I can click done. And I can also change the name if I don't want this to say users. I can instead make it more specific to say travel party. I can click save and I'm done. All right, I'm just going to show one more example for relationships, and that is for ordering. So if we look at this ordering app, you can see that the orders has a property for name and the order total. I'm going to add one more, which is a relationship to the users, because we want to know who the user was that made the order. And again, this first option is exactly what I want. Our user can have multiple orders, and an order belongs to just one user. So I'll click this and say done. And now we're all set there. I can also add in one more property, which is a relationship to the menu items. So here I want to say that an order can have multiple menu items because people can add multiple things to their orders.
Alex,
Of course, menu items can be parts of multiple orders because multiple people can order a pizza or steak or beer or whatever it may be. So if we click on this,
Alex,
Oh yeah, yes, I
done.
got that.
now we can see an order
like,
now has a name,
will
Hang on a
we
bit,
order
be
total,
building apps?
user the
for
What do you feel
clients?
about that? How do you feel about this?
Yeah, it's nice, but will we be building apps for a client?
No. I'm just talking about for us, for building that for our app. But
Okay,
I'm
only
thinking,
for our, like I'll do it in code.
oh yeah. But would you use something like this?
Depends. Like we need totally custom, right? At least for a portfolio, we need custom animations and stuff, right?
Well, I mean, can you add animations
So
in
like
this?
I don't know.
Look how
No,
easy this is gonna be. Look,
yeah, true,
chatting,
it's very
ordering.
easy. How much is it? Can you check?
Yeah, I mean, look.
Pricing?
Yeah, as far as like using in the future for, I mean, why not? Why not
Oh,
say
free.
wait a month though?
A month. Okay, $50.
Does that mean though? Does that mean you have to keep
Come
it a
on, like,
month?
I don't want to waste money and stuff. That's why.
No, but what's that mean though? A month doesn't mean that you. How much is an app? How much would the app be to maintain if we custom code it?
Like we don't have to maintain, right? Like once it's just a portfolio, so we don't have to maintain a lot.
I'm really
It's gonna be
confused.
easy.
I'm confused. What is it? Okay, what does it do this? T. Or do you want to sign up? You probably want to sign up for this because or actually this is. Bit. Where's Bitwarden? Shit, you see it? Fuck, I think I seen reset. No. Well, you know what? That's why I love Bitwarden because you can use it in anywhere like in the world. It doesn't matter.
Hey guys.
Hey T.
Hey, Saptaran.
Oh, you're
Bro,
not even.
there's a
Guys,
no. Bro, there's a no
Ashish
code app
just
also.
messaged-
You're not even gonna
What?
believe it. You're not even gonna believe what we just found too. You're gonna flip out.
There's
What's
a
that?
No,
You ready for
code
it?
app.
It's a no code app for building what? For building phone apps.
Yeah, Bubble also does that.
Okay,
Here.
yeah, love it. Enough bubble. This is Adolo or something.
Yeah. Okay, we'll show you right now.
What's the app called?
ADALO.
Adalo.
Oh, by the way, Ashish isn't gonna be joining the meeting today.
Yeah. We saw
Why
this
though?
Slack.
Why?
Wait, you didn't see the Slack message, Alex?
Why? Wait, hang on. Why T? What happened?
I don't know. He messaged on Slack, dude. He's like, okay, guys, I don't think so. I'll be joining the meeting today. I'll catch up with you guys. What's it?
Is he in a bad mood? Is he upset?
No.
It's like check the
just-
basically out there.
Yeah, he just
What's
yeah.
rest or something?
Max showed it already, right?
Yeah, Max showed it already.
So what do we have to talk about today?
We don't have to. We don't have to talk about
You
anything.
don't have- Just
Oh.
came.
Like I said, like I said, I'm just gonna leave the meeting open between 1:30 and 2. And if anyone joins it, they can join it. If they don't want to, they don't have to. I think we should at least have a mandatory one, at least maybe once a week, at least, or maybe more than that. But I don't know. I just, there's a,
No, mandatory. It should be like once every 2 days. It should be mandatory, date.
I know. No, I think it should be mandatory too. You're right. But okay, that's how it is then. Okay, fine. Then I do it anyways though, because I like to have a meeting. I usually have a meeting every night, like because I like to watch you guys work. I think it's fun. I like doing it and stuff. I like, whatever. So anyways,
Yeah, I get it.
you know what we should do? Let's go back to hey, you know what you should do? Go back to your I'm gonna share your screen or and then go ahead and go back into the Xeno app and let's see what it can do. And like if you can do that, let's buy it then. I'll buy it for you.
Like,
If you feel like it's gonna help though, I mean you said you're
like
built it.
Alex, I recommend like after we are in the testing phase. When we are in the testing phase, we'll get it. We
Okay,
need,
yeah,
we need
yeah,
only
but
for
yeah.
clients, right?
Look around though and see like what you think, Let's check it out and see like what
I'll check it in the free version.
Yeah, of
I
course.
can
Yeah.
check it.
Yeah, go ahead and share screen. I want to show Tyron because Tyron, guess what? Tyron's interested in backend.
Yeah, when da? From when?
He realized he likes backend.
Roshan, I already told you, Noda, like whenever you're working, like give a call, I'll join.
Yeah, but okay, I don't know. Interesting.
Pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. You have your little pupil. And Tyron's a very good worker.
Nice.
He's very fast. He's a very fast learner. Hey, how's that class going in Udemy, by the way, T?
HTML, CSS, JavaScript done. Now it's Bootstrap. Roshan was like, Bootstrap is pretty old. Don't learn it, bro. He suggested some other apps, so I'll try out that.
Yeah, Bootstrap's like fucking really old. It's like it's like when they like DOS and shit, like like.
No, it's not that old, dude. It's Bootstrap 5, by the way.
Bootstrap 5.
Oh, I don't really know. I honestly Bootstrap when
I
it
was
Android-
coding Bootstrap
Android app.
4 as well.
Oh,
Wait,
can you
what?
share your screen? Can you share your screen, Rosh?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, there you go. Okay. Let's see. All right, cool. So what about this? Since you do backend and you're looking at this app right here, like what would you say is like, so it saves you days, he said, by the way, T, it saves him days, like it
Yeah,
saves.
it saves days.
And what I was trying to explain to him, it's not taking away from the fact he knows code, but I mean, it's just time management, you know, like why not do something that's going to save a lot of time, knowing that you can still do it in code, but why not do it and save time, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
T, you know what? I think backend could be really good, lucrative for you. And if you maybe you can start learning this, and that would be fucking even better. I mean, for you, like honestly, with the content writing and you doing backend, I mean, it'd be unstoppable.
Thanks. Yeah, sure did. I'll learn backend.
If you know, but listen, only if that's what interests you. If it doesn't interest you, then don't worry about it. But if
I
it-
want to be like I want to be like Roshan, like full stack. So both backend and front end, both of it interests me.
But do you think it's kind of like a bad habit to go straight into no code apps though? But listen, this is what I think.
Yeah,
But it's not the
you'll have to
listen.
learn
Yeah,
it.
that's correct.
But it's the
Like
future.
Tarun can learn simultaneously.
It's the future.
You can learn simultaneously, right?
You know, you can learn
Tarun,
both.
Yeah.
am I on mute? Okay, no.
Oh, it's asking me right now for the Google password. For
Like setting Google authentication is very hectic, and
Hey, Roshan.
these people do it in one hit.
hey,
Okay.
if it saves you stress and time, then why not? You know, the point is that you can do it with or without code. But like, if we can do it to give you less stress and like make your life easier, why not? Like, why not save time doing it too? You know.
Makes sense, dude.
I-
I mean, now it
I-
might not be much, but then when we are managing a lot of websites,
Yeah, a lot of
It's-
clients will need
yeah.
this. Yeah,
it makes
this will be
sense that
helpful.
time.
We don't need it. It'll be helpful.
Absolutely, it's gonna be helpful. I mean, that's gonna be like, yeah, absolutely. Okay. Okay.
See,
Cool.
Tarun, I'll just have a look at this. This is
Okay.
how quick they did this. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the users one where they allowed us to log.
How
in.
cool is this shit? I was like, I don't understand backend, but I can kind of see what it is and like look at this. It just seems so flawlessly. Like,
You see, you'll have to log in and you'll have to sign up. Okay. So let's see.
Okay.
So they added some functionality. So
They added. What do you mean by they added?
They Zano. This is
Pre-built.
boilerplate. It's like a template. Solid.
Oh, it's like a template. All you have to do is drag and drop.
You'll have to put your code over here. Like for Google, you'll have to go to Google.
well, Raj, start building it. Start building like if you're gonna build like the data. Wait, if you already do you need to build one though? If you already built ours.
He's
I
already
did
built
it.
it.
I
As did.
already did it.
He's already built it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, my create.
Roshan.
Yes.
Is the one
if
that you
you're
built
free
have
after-
Google login? Sorry, no, go ahead. Go ahead, T.
No,
Sorry.
Okay. No, Alex. I think you.
Yeah,
you
no.
finish it up.
Does it have Google login, the one that you built and stuff like that? Google and Facebook login and stuff.
Like you'll have to come here. You'll have to get a key over here. From
I don't know
Google.
anything about that, but no. But I mean, like the one that you built, is it already like have Google? Do you
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
like,
You'll
like I'm saying, like, do you think you can build a better one with Xano right now? Is what I'm asking you.
not a better one.
Not better. Not.
This
I don't
is
mean
a
better, I'm
template. This
like-
is a template. So you can just modify
Oh,
it.
okay, okay,
You cannot add custom code and stuff.
okay, but not better. I didn't mean better. But
Yeah.
it's
So
better.
no, better. Like
No, better- no,
Alex, now
better-
what if you wanted a chat app? Like what I'm doing, I did for us is like what I did for us is we'll have to have a chat stuff. Like people should be able to chat.
I know,
This
that's so- that's
Xano
so-
cannot do this.
that's
Okay,
so clean.
Xano cannot do that. Whatever you do, Xano cannot do that.
That's what I'm saying. See, at the end of the day, T, you're gonna need to know code too. But I mean, why not learn both, like you said?
Not no code. At the
Yeah,
end of
exactly.
the
Why
day,
not
you will,
learn
at the end of the day, you will need code 100%.
Yeah, like
For
I
the
would
back
never,
end-
I would never want Rush to work for us if he didn't know code too. I mean, that's just, that's just how it goes,
Yeah,
though. You know, if you're a
that's-
backend
yeah.
developer, you should know code. You know what I mean? That's just how it is. Like,
Yeah.
especially there's gonna be problems that are gonna happen.
But
with no code
actually,
developers.
I agree. Like this is fast actually because setting a Google auth takes time. Takes
That's what I'm saying. It will save you time and stuff. That's what I'm saying.
saves
If you would have
time
already
and
built it, it would have been perfect if it was already.
True,
I wish
true.
you would have found that.
Right.
out.
The setting of everything nice. The only thing
Yeah,
which we'll have to
correct.
take care is the database and the chatting feature. Chatting feature works on a totally.
They have a
different
chat
basis.
feature though on here. I saw it.
You know, they don't have one. No, they don't.
Yeah, they
have.
do. Look. They do. I saw. No, I saw in the
Recaptcha,
area,
Slack.
the other area, the add-ons maybe the add-ons. I think it's add-ons. No. Is it was maybe dashboard? Get the dashboard. Or maybe okay, I'm tripping. You're right. No. I'm thinking of a Dino or I'm thinking of the phone app.
Oh, the phone app. Yeah.
Yeah,
the
that's what I'm
phone
thinking
app,
of. Yeah. Okay, this is still useful. I mean,
What-
so T,
what
what
I'm
makes you
telling
like backend? No, go ahead. No, go ahead, Rush. Sorry. Let me both of you guys.
Like we need chatting features in the front end in our website and in the mobile app, right? So if we get Adolo and if even if we get the chatting feature in the mobile app, we won't have the same data in the website. So
This
the
is your
backend
thing,
which
T. This is up to you, Rush. Whatever you recommend, I'm gonna go with. 'cause
No,
this
no,
is
no, no.
your
I'm
expertise.
just telling you the difference. What's gonna happen in Adolo? If you add the chat feature, you can have chatting only in the mobile app. You won't have it in the website. But you told you
Well,
want it. You
no.
want it
It
in
said
both the
website
places.
too. It said website too. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
Adolo only phone. Adolo only phone, right?
All I know is that whatever you want to do, I'm completely down for.
I'm
If you
just
want to use a
telling you.
Dilo, we can. If you want to use a Dalo, yeah, this is it. T. This is a Dalo right here.
Features.
Scroll down to features.
Literally drag and drop this one. That the whole thing, images, everything is ready. See, all these are ready. You just have to drag and drop.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Hello?
Yeah. Rosh,
Yeah,
Are you in shock right now?
if you're free after 7, just call me and
today for this one.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah,
We'll
if
do
you-
it. We'll do it today.
yeah, call me and teach me what you did.
Why not
And
do it
also,
right now?
teach
Why
me
not do it
what
right
your
now?
friends tell- Now, no,
Tarun
dude.
wants to go to CS:GO.
CSGO. It's been a long time.
Oh, are you guys off lockdown?
Yeah.
Are you guys off lockdown?
Yep. No.
No,
On
no,
7th,
no.
7th.
Roshan, I'm pretty sure it's gonna continue.
Maybe, dude. But the government
Almost,
said
dude.
it's gonna be
It's gonna
7th.
continue for sure.
Wait, is that why
So,
nobody?
Alex-
Is that why nobody's in the meeting tonight? Because everyone's are you guys free tonight? Like you guys are like off doing stuff. Like are they like you guys free?
Like, we are
Yeah,
free,
we are completely free, dude.
Oh, when did this happen?
We're
Oh,
actually
I didn't
free.
get you, Alex. Alex, what are you
What do
trying
you
to say?
mean by
Like,
free? What do you mean by free?
Like I heard that you guys are on lockdown.
Yeah, we are on
yeah, that's
lockdown. We are on
it's
lockdown.
been a year and a half already,
And how are you gonna see your girlfriend if you're on lockdown? I'm confused.
but none of us have one,
Yes.
Kate, you have a
Adi,
girlfriend?
except
especially
Adi.
me and Roshan.
Yeah. Yes, except Adi. Adi has one.
Wait,
Even Ashi has.
I'm confused.
What? Okay, Ash.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in Canada, so GG.
I'm confused. T, you have a girlfriend, T?
No, dude.
He had.
Roshan, don't laugh. You're the
Okay,
same
you know
case
what?
I
You and Russian are the coolest ones, anyways. It doesn't matter. Just kidding.
Oh my
Who cares? You know what, guys?
But Tarun's desperate actually.
Oh no, he's not. Tyron's adorable. I bet girls like. I bet girls like T. I can see girls
What?
like.
Actually,
Yeah.
Thank you.
number please.
Thank. Oh my god.
But see how we're working though, and like we're gonna succeed, and they're not. Just kidding. Like I'm serious. That's what happens, when you're out, but it's good. I guess, good for them. But they're like Max, like I just want people to start getting once we start working and stuff, I get it. But I don't think they need to do anything right now anyways, right? Like I think he's already done the front end. Like what's left to do right now, by the way? T?
So, Alex, I think all you have to know is by this weekend, prototype will be ready.
Yeah,
Alright.
you can tell what we need to change and stuff. You can give a
Yeah,
suggestion.
after that, you can we can just go through it
You can
and
show it to
review
your
all the
friends.
changes.
You can show it to your dad. Ask suggestions, like how would they like it.
Yep. Also mock-ups, I'm pretty sure the tablet version and the desktop version is done. Mobile version have to do it.
Can I see?
You have already seen it, dude.
Have I?
Yeah, you have seen it. Like it was like 4 to 5 days ago, I guess.
I'm just trying to I need to get a business plan together. I need to get a business plan together. That's a big thing. So
Okay, damn, you can do that, Alex. I
no.
told you,
No. You guys do
The
not worry
chatting
about that at all.
feature.
No, there's a
Mhm.
chat option in Zeno.
Yeah, look at this. I just figured out it. I found it.
Oh, see, I knew it. Look at that.
Real-time
Yeah, there you go.
Damn.
Uh-oh. Oh, we can
Okay,
flip.
Roshan. I
we
think
can-
it's time
yeah,
to part way.
Yeah, it's been nice. It's been nice knowing you, Rose. But you still need someone to be able to operate this, though. You still need someone to be able to use this. Like, I mean, and not only that, but it takes the mind of a backend developer to know both. You know, I'm telling you right now, no company's gonna hire somebody that just knows no code. You know what I mean?
Correct.
Hmm.
Yep.
They're gonna have to know code as well. It's just how it
But
is. So
you can live on freelancing if you want.
you can freelance, I guess, but like, who wants to freelance when you can have a team? Like, I don't
Hmm.
know. I just think it's
True,
Exactly,
true,
dude.
true.
Makes sense.
by the way, under 10 people is called a studio. So we're not an agency until we have over 10 people. So we're actually a
Okay.
studio right now, which I think studio kind of sounds cooler.
Actually sounds cool, right?
I think
Yeah,
agency.
studio actually sounds much cooler. I mean, if you compare Madempty agency to Madempty studio, studio sounds
Studio.
much better.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah, and you know,
Uh,
because agency
okay,
reminds me of like big time.
but
Like
you
I don't
can
want to
just
be
call
big.
it.
Huh?
Okay,
Like I want to be small. I
you
want
can
to keep
just
it
call
small.
it Madempty LLC. You can just call it Madempty
No, I don't
LLC.
want to do that because people. Okay, listen, I was going to do that, but they say not to do that. They say not to call it LLC because it's like, we get it. You have an LLC. Woo. You know what I mean? Like you have to put it on your name. Studio would be cool though. That would be cool. Studio.
Studio is cool, dude. I'll be honest, it's really cool.
Because
The word
I like the fact that we're keeping it small. I don't want a big agency. You know what I mean? Like I don't
Yeah.
want random people. Like
Yep.
and the more you work with a small group of people, you're gonna become better and better and better and better. And I'm telling you, like, I mean, but like this is the problem. I want to make sure that we're gonna have to do this because let's say we get our first client, we're gonna have to do we're gonna web design checklist. So we're gonna have to go through one of these together and be like, okay, so who does, so like pretend a client comes in, who does what, who does who, like what does what.
The roles. Okay.
I think we need to have role play during this
Yeah,
testing
once
phase.
once the
Yeah,
once the
yeah,
prototype's
Not
ready,
once, we have to have it many times.
I
when
think
the
so too.
prototype's ready, it'll be nice.
Absolutely. Yep, absolutely. What was I gonna say? So yeah, so exactly. So we're gonna be like, hey, we'll have, yeah, exactly. So here we go. Boom. Project start preparation. Look at all this. First set up meetings with the client and defining client briefing document from client. So see, we don't even know who's gonna even do this exactly. You know what I mean? It's just, there's a lot. Oh yeah, questionnaires, there's pre-built questionnaires. Project management is what I've been looking
I
into.
think so, Alex. From tomorrow, probably my work will be done because all that is left for me to do is the mockups. So once that's done, I'll be completely free. I think I can work on the questionnaire and the role play thingy. I can actually work on that. I
Okay,
can write it down.
the thing about the questionnaire, it's like we don't want it to be too many fucking questions from them, or you know, and
I-
also, yeah, you know what I mean. We don't because like I've literally gone on websites where I've had to fill out a lot of information, and I just give up. I don't want to do it. You know what I mean? So
Correct. Makes sense. It
I
makes
feel like we should. I feel like it's mandatory if they fill out a form to give us some way to contact them. And then other than that, it's optional to fill out the other questions we ask them. Obviously, once we're in a meeting with them, they're gonna have to answer those questions. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying, like, just to get
Makes
them to at least
sense.
give us, just so we can get their phone number. We need to make it as simple for them as possible. Like, what's your name? You can type one number. We don't care. Just give us your number. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah.
Makes sense.
And then I think there's a lot of really cool templates, but I think we should make our own because we need to decide what we want
Yeah, correct.
from the company. So I can work
Yeah,
on it as
correct.
well. I can work because questions are very
Sure.
important.
I swear it. Yeah, absolutely.
Plus, once we get
Yeah.
a routine every day of like deciding how it's gonna, I mean, we're kind of worried about like we're going to see the customer with this and that, but we're gonna get into this thing where it's gonna be like clockwork. Max, no, where we're gonna just get used to it. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna share my what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, okay, so then it says there's a lot on here, guys. Like I'm just like kind of overwhelmed.
Tarun, I was asking Alex about this. Like, see, like if startups are most of the clients are startups, right? We can use no code, we can use Xano, we can use Webflow and stuff. We can directly use it, right? So what if like companies want to rebrand themselves? That time, what if they ask code? Because they'll already be having a hosting server, it'll be already hosted. They'll just need the code, they'll delete the previous code, they'll put it back there and they'll continue it. That's what they'll need, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. But then Roshan,
But it's
Okay,
very rare. Yeah, agreed. It's very rare. But
But this is what I told Roshan. I said, okay, before you
Yeah.
found out about this a couple hours ago, what was your plan then?
no, so now I'm just asking whether they agree or not.
It was to use code. He knows how to code. I mean, that's just how it's gonna be. You're gonna have to just do code, I guess, you know? I mean, it's not gonna be.
Tarun,
But then we charge more for that. You know what I mean? Does it make any sense?
Yep.
The more, if you put more work into it, then we're gonna charge more. Which is how it is. And if you have a company that's rebranding themselves, then obviously
I think
I need to go-
what
I
you
need to go
just
let- I need to
said
go let my
makes
friends in.
complete sense. Yes, what you just said now is perfect, dude. Like what we can have is, see, we already have these stuff ready. Like using no code, we can just build it and give it to you. But then if you need some custom features for your site, we'll have to build it through code. That's going to take a lot of time and effort. So you'll have to pay us more. Makes absolute sense.
Are we writing this down somewhere? We need it, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So I think no code stuff is actually pretty good. It'll reduce much of our work. Also, Roshan, I just found out in Figma you can just right click, copy paste section. There's this thing called export in
Copy as
CSS.
HTML, copy as CSS.
No,
You don't know that.
no, I didn't know that. I
What?
used to export it as SVG and use like that. And then hey, but then CSS doesn't work for vectors and stuff like that, bro.
Yeah, vectors it doesn't work.
It's not
Images.
proper. No, not even
images, not
images.
images.
Images have to hard code it.
Like components, like
Components
headers.
works.
Yeah.
Yes, those
No,
works.
Damn.
No, I didn't know. And also it's very hard coded. I don't know how to make that responsive, bro.
That will take care today. Come.
Fine. Hey, also hover effects, bro. Like yesterday it was completely about hover effects, like how to smoothly transitions and stuff, bro. Crazy, bro. CSS is like, damn, I never knew CSS could do so much, because in 10th and 9th, all they taught was CSS background color black, print color
this guy?
blue.
Hey, do you guys see this guy right here? This guy right here is like, this guy right here, I believe it too. I believe the animation totally makes the website better. You know what I mean? Just by adding like animation.
Hi, my name is Daniel Bufa, and this is Animated is Better. Learn the basic of motion design for digital experience.
How fancy is this, guys?
Oh, this video, you sent it on the group, right?
What? I already did it, huh? Sorry. I like him a lot. I don't know. I think he's kind of cute. Anyways, I like this too. See this? See all these big like words and stuff?
Ooh, damn.
Is it because the words are?
I love the words right here. Like, I think that's so dope. Look at these are some things. Like, oh yeah, he did Headspace. The Headspace is like a huge deal. Buy for 65. It's actually not bad. I bet it's worth it. I bet I could find this. I bet I could pirate this, huh?
I think you will be.
There you go. There you go, T. What'd you say?
Flawless typography. You asked, right? Like, will you be able to pirate it? I'm pretty sure you can.
So typography is your thing, isn't it, T? Like typography and stuff.
Typography, yeah. Typography. I think the course on Figma, the one on Google Drive, even that has about typography.
Well, because I've noticed it's just the way you place like the largeness of like the letters. You just do good. So I didn't even realize that. I guess people have a thing for typography, and I think you do too. You know, like the way like how the style is.
Love typography. Yeah, sure, dude. Yep.
How cool is that? You have such like a unique niche. You know, like it's like one of those it's special. That's cool. This guy says.
Tarun, what do you tell? From tomorrow we'll start with the app, Like I'm planning on starting coding because the back end.
Like call me every time you start working, bro. Call me.
Like
just give me a call.
I thought you just wanted to see how it works. I didn't know you wanted to learn and all.
Like I told you that.
Bro, I thought you told you were interested only in design.
I told you I'm interested in full stack.
When did you tell? You didn't tell me.
I told you, I remember
you telling.
I love his hoodie. You guys like his hoodie?
Huh.
Hey, I want to see this. I want to see this really quick.
You know when to break them. In this course, you will learn everything about typography.
See how what a big deal it makes.
Awesome video, dude.
Huh?
The video, the transitions in the video are still good.
What do you mean they're stupid? It's trying to show you different types of typography.
Okay, it's the same course. Play.
You know what's funny? I didn't even realize how typography would make a big deal on a website, and I'm just not because I don't really think I noticed that part, but you do. You notice it without really realizing it, like the words and stuff, and like the font and all that.
Yeah.
Like the font that you pick out looks really good for the site. Like I really like it. Let's see.
Thanks, Jay.
Work that stands out both visually and functionally. We'll go to the basics: a bit of history, classification, and of course the technical stuff, so you can get a strong base for any project. To sharpen your skills, you'll explore how to use, choose, and combine different typefaces.
making sure they are readable while still conveying the right visual message. We'll analyze work, train your eye for details, and practice selecting typefaces. So you can identify.
Look at this one,
movements.
T. Look, audio reactivity with visuals with code.
Roshan, how do you add audio to your HTML there?
Look at this. This is
How do
you,
you add
T.
what?
This is so you. This is so you.
Audio.
Add what? Arun, add what?
Add audio to HTML.
Audio file. There's an audio tag.
What
There's
the
an
hell
audio
does this
tag.
mean?
There's a
I'm so
video
confused.
tag.
I'm
Bro,
so confused.
WebGL. Look at that. Go top. Alex, go scroll down.
What? Scroll down.
Scroll top. Above.
Ooh, that's pretty.
No. Can you scroll a little more down? Like there were tags of the course. Yeah, look at that. Down. WebGL. Bro, WebGL is for 3D models. This is
Oh.
pretty new. WebGL down. It's pretty new, but it's complicated.
Yeah, what does this mean? Create auto reactive artwork.
Audio reactive artworks.
With-
So
I
like when
don't-
you interact on something, you get audio. Audio is playing. Literally like a game.
Let's see.
Hello,
Okay,
everyone.
makes sense.
My name is
Look at-
Yanis, and I'm a freelance developer from Athens, Greece.
Yeah.
How cool is
So
that?
Roshan, think of WebGL.
WebGL is like this one now, 3D modeling into websites, which is actually pretty new.
What
Created this
what
course
prior
here
knowledge
in
do you
Awards
need to
Academy,
have?
so we can explore together.
There's no
the
American
idea
teachers
of
at all.
visual
There's been
sound
no
from
American
You don't
teachers.
need anything.
Most of these designers and people like those come from like Europe, dude. I don't know why.
Yeah, dude, exactly. Almost everyone Europe.
Why is that? There's not American designers, really?
Very rare.
I don't know. But most of them are from Europe, dude. That's for sure. It's like they are born with this designing thing in their blood.
I know. You know what? Americans are really creative too, but it's just like I'm gonna tell you something right now. We're just getting fat and lazy and killing each other with guns.
Dude, the one you sent today, oh my god.
He looks too
Seriously,
normal, huh? He looked normal, huh? Like a normal white guy.
Yeah, looks like a
I
normal
swear.
guy.
Imagine you're just walking down the road. It's
And
a
then
Well,
beautiful
they were at
day,
work.
and then you
They
see
were
a
at
guy.
work. He went into his old work and killed people at work. So he had a vendetta against
His own workplace. Alex, was that his
Oh.
own workplace?
his own workplace. Correct.
What?
Oh my god, that happens all the time. Someone just went into a UPS workplace
Like
and
they
killed
sh-
fucking
But why
12
do
of
they
them.
shoot randomly? Why? Just because they're
Dude,
stressed.
you guys
or
hear
what?
about the Vegas shooter? Remember him?
Las
Yeah,
Vegas, I
Vegas
remember
shooter,
you
yeah.
telling. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
Vegas shooter literally went to he got a hotel room above a fucking concert, a country concert thing, and it was the biggest one in history. He popped out of the window and he killed, like, imagine just being in a concert with your friends dancing to country music and then all of a sudden you just get your head blown off. Like they thought it was fireworks. They weren't really sure. You've never heard of it, Raj?
No.
Oh my god, check this shit out. You're gonna
One
fucking
minute,
you're gonna flip out. Like, look how cool this is. So he
Okay.
brought 50, it's not cool, but like he brought
135
he brought 50 bags. Yeah, look, he up to the through a hotel room. And they didn't even realize, like, over a week, he brought up different like
Whoa. Tarun, my friend, just
There
bought
he is.
Reaver Sheriff right now.
Can you believe that he was planning this for the whole time? Look at all those guns in there.
What?
My god.
He pops out a window and he kills 50 people in a concert. I can't believe it's like the worst one in history we've ever had. I know that it's like it's the biggest mass shooting in history we've ever had in America.
After
it-
Nazis,
Wait.
right?
No, the biggest one.
So do you guys have to have a license for your gun or something, or is it just you can keep it?
Depending what state
my-
you're in, like where my mom lives, you can buy a gun and it doesn't anywhere. You don't have
So,
to have,
so are there gun stores or something, like just like grocery
Yeah.
stores?
oh yeah, definitely.
Like
Absolutely.
GTA, like in GTA.
Much as shit.
Dude, that's messed up, dude. Like,
Ammunition.
why don't your government make a license mandatory or something like that?
Oh, this must be a new one.
Here at day 3 of Route 91 Harvest Festival.
Route 91 Country Festival. Working.
Roshan, by the way, you were telling something. What was that?
Nothing.
Wait, no, go ahead. This is interesting. I'm telling you, because like You guys are gonna flip out when he busts open a window and he kills people in the crowd. It's crazy. Like I've never seen anything. Okay, no, yeah, go ahead, Rush. What were you gonna say?
Nothing.
You sure?
Nothing
You like
about
stuff
it.
like this?
Shooting people?
No, I don't like.
No,
watching
not shooting people, but it's just interesting. Like I don't know.
documentary. Like I
Okay,
want to know
here
what
we go.
happened.
Okay, watch. This is what happened.
What band is that? Don't tell me it's AC/DC or Guns N' Roses.
No,
or
it's country.
something.
Look, here it goes. Watch this. Watch. Listen to the guns. Listen.
I can't hear. I can increase the volume.
It was just we were having fun dancing out. I know like most of his songs, so I was just jamming out.
It was like another concert, right? I mean, he was starting out, everything's good, everybody's coming off of
Yeah, watch this stuff.
a
Watch
little
this
bit
shit.
high with the previous band, and everything was going well, and the fireworks started.
You hear it? Hear that?
The first shot right now, and we hear.
Whoa.
Right?
Jason was still playing, and he looked up at the sound system, and I hit Brian on the arm. I'm like, I think the PA just went out.
Thought maybe he's gonna have fireworks part of the show, and maybe they didn't go off right.
Firecrackers.
That sounds like a firecracker. Who the hell would have a firecracker here?
Some idiot is trying to get some attention. I knew it wasn't pyrotechnics. It was part of the briefing. They had said that there was no pyro in the show.
He just sprays everybody. He just kills everybody. Think about it.
And then, yeah, Jason Aldean left the stage, and then it got quite hectic after that.
Then the screen went black, and everybody thought that it was technical difficulties on stage. Quiet. Nobody understood what it was.
Yeah.
We were all standing there, and all of a sudden we heard
Oh my God.
flew back.
From which gun? M416 AK.
Shut up, Roshan.
Shit's depressing. This shit's interesting though. This is like nothing to us. So many people died.
How many people did he kill?
Like 70.
I was like
70.
Oh my.
He should have next level spray control. Man.
in pain.
Imagine being at a country concert with your friends and you look over and your friend's bleeding out, dead. You know, and then you're just in there waiting like a fishbowl to get shot. I mean, I just couldn't imagine.
I could see people.
Okay, Alex, are school shootings still a thing, or is it like obsolete?
School shootings? Yeah, we had
Yeah.
school, but now people are going to people's works. They going everywhere now, like Walmart's, churches is a big one now. People go to people's churches now and stuff.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
heck.
Yeah.
But still nice spray control.
Nice spray control. Roshan, you should be in hell for this. Bro.
Yeah, I mean, what it is, it's because we have.
Bro, like that level spray control. What 70 people in one magazine?
Watch this shit. Look, watch this shit. Look how cool this is. Look.
Running.
They're trying to figure out where he came from because they were like, they couldn't pinpoint it because he was like in a,
Okay.
you know, so watch this.
Okay. Who's talking?
And the maintenance
Who is
guy.
it? Okay, maintenance.
790. I have 2 strike teams, 13 officers total, 2 sergeants.
Okay.
All units SWAT can utilize TAC 1. SWAT use TAC 1. It's now open.
February 24, informant element 29-4 west side. Control 020.
020, go ahead.
It is set on the suspect's door. I need everybody in that hallway to be aware if they can get back. We need to pop this and see if we get more of a response from this guy. See if he's in here, if he's actually moved out somewhere.
But he blew his brains out. Right before they walk in, he kills himself.
Copy. All units on the 32nd floor. SWAT has explosive breach. Everyone in the hallway needs to move back. All units move back.
Wow.
Breach.
Actually, you know what? They have you know what? They have the actual. Here it is, right here. They have the actual like the when they breach it right here. I don't think they'll show this in your guys' country, huh? This video.
No.
No, they don't do it.
Listen to that.
See where it come from?
The officers are pinned down by automatic gunfire.
He over a course of a week, he brought up semi-automatic guns. I mean, like you should see the shit that he brought up. I mean, it's crazy. But he had a lot of money and he would gamble there all the time. So he was like he was a high roller there.
Officer Grady Cook is shot.
Arun, that's a Glock, no?
Yeah, that's a Glock.
Yeah, that looks like a Glock.
What are you guys police like? Are they cool or nice? Are they mean or?
They have R8 revolvers.
Our police or they're intense?
What do you mean, Alex? I didn't get you.
Like your police, like are they
Do you mean our
respectful?
police? I'm okay. If I compare American police and Indian police lack empathy. They just don't have this human nature in them. They're just like completely corrupt.
But then you're gonna trip out.
They'll do whatever they want for money. So.
But then you're gonna trip out when you see this part right here. Like, watch this part. It's cool.
Two active shooters.
The echo of gunfire through the strip leads to mistaken reports of shooters in multiple hotels.
Oh my god! Can you imagine that?
Just reporting shooting.
Okay, here it goes. This is how it works right here. This is how it shows.
Not confirmed terrorist related. 3 shooters so far.
We're getting reports of shots fired at New York, shots fired at.
Roshan, M4 Air Force.
Who knows?
Okay, here it is. He's the maintenance guy. So watch this. This is how it happens.
At the time, I had no idea what was going on at the time.
What did it sound like to you?
It sounded like a jackhammer because you never expect to hear something like that. I noticed him. I said, "Get cover. It's not safe." At that moment in time, there was more rounds being dispersed.
Suddenly, Shuck himself is under fire.
Something hit me in the back as I was jumping into cover. At the time, I was like, "Oh, you know, I might be shot."
Okay, yeah, he got these 2 suites right here, and this is where he was right here.
Those men from the security office hear Shuck's alert and hustle towards the elevators.
I thought if I don't come out of this hallway alive, I wanted to communicate for Metro and first responders to get up there because this is where the shooter is.
Every second that Campos and Shuck are under fire on the 32nd floor is a chance for the concert goers below.
Like Alex.
Yeah?
Like we'll leave. It's
No, no.
3:40.
What?
Oh, yeah.
We'll leave. It's 3:50.
Oh, you guys have to go?
Okay.
Oh shit, sorry. I was just gonna show you these cops.
No,
here. No, these cops are cool. They help. They like what? They rush us go to the hospital.
Banging on the window, and I hear Brandon.
Anyways, I was just gonna show you that. Yeah, I get so on show you. Yeah, here it is. This is when they raid him. Where is he? Right here. Yeah. This is what it looked like on the inside. Watch this out. Watch this shit.
They force open that bolted door. Kill the light, concealing their position.
Oh God, whatever.
And rig the door to the suite with an explosive strip.
Now they're really hidden. You know what I mean? Like, wow, stupid.
Then a warning.
Everyone in the hallway needs to move back. All units move back.
Breach.
Okay, cover on that. In with you.
See, he killed himself.
He killed himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously that's what people will do, right?
See him?
Like,
See, he's right there. You see his body? You see his feet?
Oh, yeah.
No, show him right here. Where is he? Look at all these guns he fucking has. It's crazy.
They prep a second breach to clear the adjoining room.
We need the air surface receiver pointed at one suspect down any side of the room.
In both rooms, over 1,000 gun shell casings and an unimaginable cache of weapons.
Oh my God.
Damn. Op and all here, sir.
Guys, everything's okay. We took.
Hey, op is not an actual.
I was expecting something like
Look at
FBI
that.
opened up.
With armor-piercing bullets, which are legal to buy.
Look at that. That's when he busted out the window right there.
More than
That's it right there.
1,000
That's what he saw right there.
but he still had over 5,000 rounds.
Look at what
Roshan 5,000 grounds.
exactly.
That's what he had left over still.
Break
That's
the law
crazy.
Bro,
as a human being is a challenge for law enforcement.
A lot of people looked at the
like
arsenal.
if we had a full group done, how
This
will
is
you
him.
talk
This
to
is
him?
him.
Can't.
What he did.
They still don't. They still don't know his motive.
And real estate.
He looks like a normal
At
guy.
one point, a net worth of just
He looks
over
like the guy from
$2 million.
earlier that shot the other
But the
thing.
scale and scope.
Roshan, doesn't he look like Trevor from GTA 5?
Yeah, nah.
26,
Look at that. Here he is. Look,
27,
watch. Look at all the guns he brings in.
security
Look at all the
camera
guns he
footage
brings in.
captures Paddock
Where's
around
he? Where's orange car?
Midday
Oh,
Resort.
there. Okay.
16
How come he was allowed into the hotel?
roller.
You know how you know that
This
you're
is
fucked up. You know how you know you're really fucked up in the head is that he planned this like this for 6 days, like 7. You know, he had this in his head the whole time. He didn't ever back up and was like, that's the difference between manslaughter and murdering someone. Is when manslaughter's in the moment. You know what I mean? You don't really think of like it's just it's an accident, kind of like murder is different. Yeah, murder's different because you're plotting it. You know, and this guy's like literally just going up here to the counter like he's every other time he's here gambling, like it's normal. And he plans this. Look, he plans this for a week.
Yes, he was, in our estimation, the lowest risk type of individual.
No alarm bells going off. Paddock checks into a suite on the 32nd floor, and he's given the VIP treatment.
Those are all guns.
Luggage up through
Bro, they're taking it.
Yeah.
too long.
Middle-aged guy.
He brings up like 30 bags like over the course of
in
the whole week.
Mandalay Bay, a sprawling metropolis of restaurants, nightclubs,
Yeah.
and over 100,000 square feet of gambling. He is only one man in a
Anyways.
city of thousands.
Yeah, there he is.
Over the
Fucker.
course of the next 6 days,
Oh, there he is again.
under the ever watchful eyes above, Paddock moves about the hotel. Where
He
he's
goes and
known
eats
to gamble
sushi. He
tens of
gambles.
thousands of
Like
dollars at a
it's
time.
crazy, right? Like
He can be seen playing the slots, making a purchase at the resort shop,
Like, who
and leisurely
cares?
walking around.
He preferred to play video poker machines. And,
It's like, if you're gonna go kill yourself soon, like who cares? You know, I don't know. It's hard to
spend the nights here.
That looks good. Like a good one. All right, guys. So yeah, go ahead. So do you guys need to get off and go, or what
Yep.
did you? All right, guys. Okay, let me end it. Okay, T. Anything else you guys want to say? Are we good? Or okay, tomorrow. What you said by the end of the week? You said the prototype. Now, what do you mean when you
No,
say
the-
prototype? What does that mean actually? Exactly.
A
Prototype
demo
means-
website.
Let's just say version 0. It's not version 1.
What's a
develop-
404 page?
Like when you go to the wrong URL, you get a 404 page, right? Page
Yeah,
not
that-
found thing. So we
Yeah.
need one for our page.
When we put our website down, we have to put up that page.
I hope Ash is okay. I feel like he's like mad or something.
No, he's not dead. Don't worry.
Sure, from
He's
yesterday.
resting or something. He's resting or something. I guess.
Okay.
Maybe he's just taking rest or something because yesterday the whole day was just working. Dude.
Yeah,
That's,
yeah, that's true, huh? Well, he has
Yeah.
other job. He has other stuff.
he has a lot of stuff, dude. He has a lot of stuff.
He's up all night. You know that, guys? Like he's up literally 24/7. I don't know how he's always up.
I
So when I
mean,
wake-
even
what-
you're up 24/7. So
Huh?
even you're up 24/7.
I get like at least 4 or 5. I'm telling you, he's up like 20. He's always. I mean, I don't know. It's just his mentality, I guess. But I'm serious. Like I'll wake up at 8 a.m. and he's on there. You know, and I'm just like, damn. Like he's just always working. I mean, you know, it's crazy. I at least try to. I can't go 24 hours, but I mean, he literally will go 24 hours without sleep. Do his parents still get mad? Do you guys have to? Do you guys have? Are you allowed to have a computer in your room, or do you guys have like a separate room, or
Yeah, I do. Even Roshan has. Pretty
Okay.
sure.
I think
But
that's
it's always
Bro-
open. It's always
Yeah, he-
open.
like so anyone can go in.
Yep.
Yeah. There's no thing such as privacy in India. You
Yeah.
shouldn't expect.
No,
You
there's so much.
you lock it. It's gonna be like FBI open up. They're gonna throw a flashbang and stuff.
How many? Do you guys have lots of brothers and sisters? Like, do you guys try to have more bigger families and stuff?
No, nothing like that, dude. Now it's
But
more,
it'll be nice.
Yours are really family oriented though.
yeah, it's just a tradition over there, dude. Over here.
Which is a good thing. It's a good thing because
Yeah.
in America, like for instance, my parents are workaholics, so like they were never around growing up. But they made good money and stuff, so I was always taken care of financially, I guess. But they were just never here. You know, they just work. So it's like it's cool that you guys are definitely like about like a family and stuff. So it's
Yeah,
important.
makes
Does your dad like so? Wait, so Rosh, your dad's a banker and your dad's a banker too?
My dad's a banker,
No.
dude.
Not mine. Not mine.
Oh, Rush, your dad. So, what did you say your dad when you asked your dad about the loan? Like, what's
He
is
asked
making-
his colleagues. He asked his colleagues.
Oh, cool. Okay, cool. And I told my dad, I was like, I want him to jump in on one of the meetings and stuff, but he's kind of like shy. I'm like, wow, whatever. You know, I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'm going to Disneyland though. I get to go see my brother and sister. I got my tickets, so it's good. They're gonna come to Disneyland. My dad's probably moving back from Hawaii to California, actually. So
Oh, that's cool.
he wants to be closer to his family and stuff, you know,
Yeah.
to me and my brother, like just to everybody. He wants to be closer. He wants his kids to be raised like with like his family. Like he lives in a really small city in Hawaii, like 19,000 people. It's really small. I mean, it's on the ocean and everything, but he's just like, he's bored, you know? So.
Yeah.
Do you guys live on the ocean? Don't you guys live on the ocean?
What?
Okay. Remember when Justin
Dig
was
it.
showing me the ships thing? That's not you guys, right? The ships, like how the ships go up there on the shore?
Bangladesh. That's
Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh.
that's the country, Jake.
Oh, okay, Bangladesh. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was looking you guys up, and you guys are a techie. You guys are like a techie community.
No.
Yeah, Bangalore. Look. Just hold
Okay,
on.
Bangalore. But then, yeah,
Oh,
Bangalore.
Bangalore Apex Legends. Look at that now. Like,
Look how cool this is. Look, the Silicon Valley of India. That's why you guys all have laptops. But I'm trying to tell you guys out. I'm sure everyone has a laptop there, right? Like everybody out here, no one has a laptop. That's the big
what?
difference.
Really?
No,
Really?
nobody owns a laptop. Nobody. None of my friends own a laptop. They have tablets. That's as far as they go.
Okay, iPad. Okay.
That's why I'm saying that like I have an iPad, you know, like that's what I'm saying. Like people are like a desktop. Like no one ever has one because it's just they don't. So this is you guys. Let's see. I think it looks fun.
Alex,
Look how pretty. Yeah.
I
Oh,
think
sorry, you
they
guys
have
gotta
to
go. Okay, yeah, sorry.
before.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
bye.
Yeah, Alex. Take
Bye,
care.
guys.
Take care. Bye.